Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix OBS Studio lag and stutters. All right, if you found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, let's just go ahead over to settings right here under controls. If you don't have this panel, don't worry, just go ahead over to file. Okay, now go ahead and click on settings. All right, so first up, let's go ahead over to video. Okay, and here, make sure, as you can see here, I'm using a 3840 by 2160 because I have a 4K monitor, but as you can see here, I'm just using almost half of my monitor. This one is ultra wide. So mine right here to fix stuttering, okay, so to reduce the stress to my GPU, because I'm using the GPU as my rendering option. Okay, to reduce the stress, I downscaled it, or the output scale resolution is 1920 by 1080 only. All right. So if you have a 1920 by 1080 monitor, you can go ahead and use that in here as the base canvas and make sure that it matches the scale resolution as well. All right. And then once done, downscale filter, leave it. Make sure that it is set to no scaling. And the FPS value, like right here, you can use 60 or 30. Okay. And then hit on apply, hit on OK. Now, once that's done, go back to settings, go ahead over to advanced, make sure that priority is high. All right. High. Once done, go to output. If you're streaming, all right, I would highly recommend that you use variable bitrate. Okay, you can go ahead and choose bitrate or the base bitrate to be 4500, and then the maximum depending on the platform that you're streaming on. For example, we have Twitch. I think Twitch can handle 9,000. All right, and Facebook, I think only 8,000. And the preset right here, make sure that it's set to, for now, maybe slow. And if it's still lagging, just go ahead and select from one of these options below. Okay, P1 is the fastest. Tuning right here, ultra low latency, and a profile, make sure that it is set to high. And the multi-pass mode, if yours is lagging, try quarter resolution. Okay, then once done, if you're just recording right here, as you can see, I'm using hybrid MP4. Make sure, by the way, that is set to standard right here. Okay, now hybrid MP4, why? Because if you're just using the normal MP4, if your computer or laptop, okay, suddenly turns off, okay, if you're just using the regular MP4, well, it won't save. Okay, it will save a file, but it'll be corrupted. So as you can see here, I'm using again hybrid MP4. This one is basically like MKV or Matroska. All right, you can go ahead and use this one. And then video encoder. You can click on the drop down. As you can see here, I can't click it because I'm currently recording. All right, so you'll have an option right here like NVENC H.264 new, H.265, or HEVC. All right, or even the normal X.264. Again, X.264. If you just have a CPU, you can go ahead and use H.264. Let me go ahead and open up a new section right here. Right, this one. If you only have a CPU, use this one. Now, if you have GPU, yours may be different right here. You may have an AMD graphics card. So just go ahead and use the ones that is tied to your graphics card. Okay. So for performance, you can go ahead and use H.264. If you want higher quality, use HEV6. But do take note, HEVC right here will stress out your GPU. Okay. Now, moving forward, audio encoder, just leave it. Now, as you can see here, I'm currently using rate control as lossless. You can go ahead and use this one if you want to as well to remove stutters. Also, I would highly recommend if you're just recording, let's say you are recording tutorials like this one. Okay, you can go ahead and use constant QP and leave the value to 14 to 16. Okay, for best quality. If it's still lagging, you can go ahead and use variable bitrate and just go ahead and use from 5,000 to 10,000 right here. And just like what we have used under streaming, okay, use medium to top right here, which is the fastest. Quality tuning, low latency, quarter resolution, profile high. All right, that is it. That is how you fix OBS Studio lag and stuttering. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.